Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well, and I have to say, I'm about a 10 out of 10 excited for this. The OnePlus Open. And for those of you who watch my content, I have said multiple times I've been wanting to try a book-style folding phone because if you haven't seen my review on the Z Flip 5 or the Z Flip 6 that I recently did, I'm just not a fan of the Flip because of the outer display. Now, I've yet to try a flip phone with a more full, like the full outer display, like on the Motorola, and I would love to eventually do that. But I believe, and we will of course find out because I will do a full review on this per usual, I believe I will be a much bigger fan of the book style folding phones. So, and the reason I went with the OnePlus Open, for those of you who are wondering why not like the Z Fold 5 or Z Fold 6, and that's because this right here, I have been dailying the OnePlus 12 and I absolutely love Oxygen OS and the features it has, the alert slider, the super fast charging, still has a great display, good cameras, you know, so why not stick with something that I know I like the software on? So let's get this open. Okay, there's that one. Is there one on the top? I don't think so. Can we go ahead and try to open this? Oh, it opens up like that. Holy crap. Now that is an awesome presentation. I don't know how it is on the Fold series. I would have to go and watch an unboxing. But this is a big box. So it kind of opens up. Once you have that broken, it opens up. And the further you open this up, can I show you guys? It kind of lifts the box out of there. And man, I am so freaking excited for this. This just makes you feel like, and it should be this way because of how expensive these are. Okay, is there not like a little slot to put my finger to get the device out? Do I literally have to like turn it over? Okay, well, I guess that works. Oh God, that's so light. That's not heavy at all. I mean, a lot of the reviews I've seen said it was light, but you don't really know until you get something in the hand. Now, this does come with the charger in the box, if it can quit showing me up here. There we go. Charger in the box. It's a 67 watt charger, but I already have a OnePlus 80 watt charger from the box of the OnePlus 12. And a test I'm going to do, because I'm really curious, is even though this is a 67 watt charger, if there's a difference in the charge times between the 67 watt and the 80 watt that comes with the OnePlus. So I will be testing that out. And in here, that's a pretty good size. But it's crazy because this accessory box is the size of like some phone boxes. Like the Z Flip 5 box is this size, and the Z Flip 6. And look how that opens, like an envelope. So what do we get in here? Oh, they give you a case? Oh, heck yeah. I mean, it's not super protective or anything like that. It's pretty thin, but it's something. It's got a nice texture on it. Heck yeah, we'll set that over there. And there's, I guess, for the front part, that case. Okay, good deal. Okay, what else? Lots of books and a charging cable. I won't be opening this one because, again, I already have one from the OnePlus 12, but it's nice to see this stuff in the box. And if OnePlus can do it, other companies should be able to do it as well. There we go. Woo! Man. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, let's peel this sticker. I can probably just throw that one away. Oh, I love the texture on the back of that. Wow. Okay, I am pretty excited. Now that this is in my hands, I love, it's like it's not the same texture. It's a matte texture, but I can remember the texture on the Flip 6. It feels different. Still a matte texture, and it definitely feels different than the texture on the OnePlus 12. I think I like the texture. Not that this is bad. I love this too. But on the OnePlus 12, it's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's just a different texture. I think I like it more, but that's not a deal breaker or anything like that. It looks similar also. Very thin. Look at that. And the sides are kind of like flat. Just very thin. Okay, here we go. I've never folded a fold. I have plenty of experience flipping and unflipping, right? So for me, some people can one-hand it. I've just never felt comfortable doing that. So for me, I kind of grab it like this, right? And so I don't know really what to expect from the hinge here. Oh, wow. Okay, that's a nice hinge for sure. Very flat. It's very, oh, wow, okay. Okay, I'm getting pretty hyped over here, okay? It's nice and tight in a good way, right? You want it to be sturdy. You want a nice hinge. But when you open this, watch this, okay? I'm just going to kind of assist it just a little bit. But right about there, look at that, pops open. Super flat. Oh man, let's see how it feels in the hand like this. I mean, it's definitely a different feel. Not bad. It's a different feel than the OnePlus 12 because, you know, it's not a folding device. But let's take the case off of this. If any of you are curious, I can leave a link down below for this case. Spigen Liquid Air for the OnePlus 12. So, there we go. Now, it's the same amount of RAM, same amount of storage. The other day, OnePlus released the crimson color of the OnePlus Open with 1 terabyte of storage, which I don't really need. 512 is plenty for me. So technically, the OnePlus Open is a bit of a step back in terms of processor. You have the 8 Gen 3 on the 12 and the 8 Gen 2 on the OnePlus Open. But to be honest with you guys, that's something I won't notice. And the 8 Gen 2 is still a really good chip. But it feels more boxy in the hand. You know, the OnePlus 12 has the curved display, which some people like, and a lot of people don't like. With the case, I haven't had any accidental touches or anything like that. So the OnePlus Open feels good in the hand, feels like a nice, chunky block. There we go. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Just right off, I don't think I'm going to be a fan of the frame because it's like a glossy frame. So if you do rock this without a case, which I'm going to use what OnePlus gave me and probably soon get a better case, something more protective. So that's at least something. But just my pure opinion, I don't really like frames that are glossy. It's not a make or break decision for me, but it's just a preference type thing. So, you know, really looking forward to using this. I'm pretty excited. And so, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the full review. If you have this device or one of the Z Fold devices or the new Z Flip devices, let me know how you're liking it, and I will see you in the next video.